Hey, Micah here. I'll be doing a demonstration of my test automation framework that I've been expanding upon. It uses an endpoint, the Internet Heroku app, that has many different HTML elements, and it can be used as a practice. This demonstration will use a native browser on my system, testing against that endpoint, and then we'll move into using a remote browser hosted on Sause Labs on either OS X or on Windows. And I'll be demonstrating how to run a test like Edge on Windows and get feedback from it. So without ado, let's get into it. There's different types of content here. So we can look at dynamic loading, for example, which has a page that has an element that comes into view. And then finishes. So let's take a look at running this. I have it so we can run it against the local endpoint or remote. So we'll try it with Safari. You can also try it with Chrome. Another option would be Chrome headless. Get rid of the logging. Take a look at running this with Windows and Edge. This will kick off a remote browser instance in Sause Labs. You can see that we now have a queued instance for the test, the checkbox. I'll come down to the prior run. We can take a look at the run. It's pretty nifty in the sense that it has different screenshots. And we can also take a look at it running on Ventura. So this is OS X. And that was the checkbox test. The checkbox is a page object. I've modeled it against the checkboxes on that page. And here we do some assertions, or I do. I also have an example for the drop-down page and an example of the drop-down tests. I created a dynamic landing page object. And here I have the test for that too. Making sure that it finishes the last bit. So this is a really quick video that shows the test automation that I've been working on, how I use Sause Labs to do browser compatibility testing, and changing the endpoint from the command prompt.